Today we're installing new hood vents on the Rubicon hood. Picked these up from Yotto Overland. They're Raptor Liner, so they have like a bed liner texture to them. So if you have an older 2018 or newer Rubicon that has like faded out vents, these are a nice option to pick up. So I'm going to show you how to install them on the hood. We'll remove the liner, we'll pop out the old ones and install the new ones. Tools for this job should just be a pry tool, because you just have to remove all the little clips around the liner. We pop the hood. There's about, I believe, 10 of these little Christmas tree clips. We just got to pop those all off, remove the liner, and we'll go from there. Once you get all the clips popped out, the liner sits inside these little clips on the bottom. There's 2 or 3 spaces. It just pulls forward and it should just drop out. And that's it. So if you ever wanted to see what the bottom side looked like of the liner, when you have the Rubicon vents, they do have little drain holes in them, and they drain down to here and then leak out the side. Which why I'm assuming mine gets annihilated from the car wash, and you see all the different colors and the soap colors. From here, we have access to the vent. We just have 4 tabs, 2 on each side. We just kind of push in and pop this out. Start here, kind of push in these centers, push up. I guess there's 6. Kind of work its way out. All right, so I just wanted to show you a little closer. There is 6 tabs. You just kind of push on these real nice, easy, and wedge it out of there. All right, getting the passenger side one out. We're just squeezing the clips and just pushing it out. My thinking is that the reason these are not real functional vents is because this vent sits directly over the battery, and this one sits over all this electrical right here. So we're gonna grab the Raptor Liner vent, and we're just gonna pop it in from the top side. Now we'll grab the passenger one, and we'll just insert it from the top. Then from here, you put the liner back in, put the clips back in, and we'll shut the hood. Super easy install, didn't take that much time. I love the look of this Raptor liner. Kind of matches the, the front bumper, my side rails. Nice textured look. I really like this. So if you want to pick up a set for yourself, YottoOverland.com. I'll leave a link in my description. I also have a discount code, 82media. Use that to save some money. All right, guys, remember to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.